Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, getting ready to show you what just happened in the live trading room. So here's we go. The setup is as follows. We have a very nice stair step for a short here, and we get this really amazing. After the buyers have come up and failed, we get this really nice strong candle indicator, this little red triangle pointing down, saying go ahead and take the market short through here. Stunning signal. And we're going to wait for a little bit of a retrace and stick our order on the body of the candle. Now we got to look over at the PVI. We see that we expect the next candle probably to be between 130 and 160 ticks in length. We're going to use our standard ATM. We're going to go for 20s, 50s, and 100 and de-risking the trade after we get 20 ticks into a profit. So this is how it all went down in the live trading room today. We're going to sell. We wait for the retrace. That's a nice retrace. Whoops. Oh, well, maybe not exactly how it went down in the room today, but pretty good recreation. Stop goes to the last major failure point, which is up here. And now we just wait for our first target to be taken out. It's going to take a little bit of time. I think we already in the trade, so we'll go ahead and speed it up so we're not here all day. And I think we waited on this retrace until it retraced before we actually got in. So I jumped the gun a little bit on the replay. Nonetheless, it's the same trade. And here we go. Boom, we just get picked up. One more additional failure by the buyers to push the market. And now we should go ahead and just go short. uh, Double retraces are never much fun. A little bit of a sweat. All right, you can tell. But once this gets on started on its way, it's going to go very nicely. Now we're looking for, we don't want this to retrace and take us out at break even. Let's see what happens. 20s are out times two. 50s are out. We can only make money on this trade. Now we're just sitting here cheering the market on, seeing if we can get our 50 tick target met. I'm pretty sure it pays off on this particular candle. Don't quite remember, but we'll see how it goes. I mean, PVI is pretty high. Boom. All right. So this particular trade took about 7 minutes to complete and was worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in 7 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.